Right, this is a vector question, okay, and it's a very typical one. It includes ratios, and it includes proving two lines are parallel, and therefore 3 points are on the same straight line. Right, so let's start. So OA is 5A, OB is 3B. These are given on our diagram. Now C is the point on OA, so the OC to CA is 4 to 1. So it's split into 5 equal parts. So let's mark C here. And if the whole of O to A is 5A, well then 4/5 must be 4A, and the last fifth must be A. I'll put the direction on to make sure we don't forget. Okay, so now M is the midpoint of AB. D is the point such that OB to OD is 3 to 4. Okay, so if OB is 3, then, and that's 3 parts, then one part must be B. So that means 1, 2, 3. So each part is B. And O to D is 4 parts. Well, that means that O to D must be 4B. Okay, so now we've done that. Right, now we're going to prove that CMD is a straight line. Okay, so what we're going to try and do, we're going to try and show that CD is equal to something times CM. So we're going to need to find the vectors CD and the vector CM. Right, so let's do CM first. Right, so to get from C to M, I'm going to go from C to A and then from A to M. Well, C to A, we already said that C to A was just 1A. Now A to M is halfway between A to B, so that's going to be a half A to B. So we're going to need to work out the vector A to B. So to get from A to B, I'm going to go the opposite way of O to A. So I'm going to go A to O, and then I'm going to go O to B. So O to A is 5A, so A to O is minus 5A. And then O to B, we're told that's 3B. Okay, so 5A minus 3B is AB. So that means that CM is A plus a half minus 5, make that a bit clearer, minus 5A plus 3B, and we'll collect the like terms. I've got A, this is what I'm taking away 5 over 2A, and I'm adding 3 over 2B, which means I've got 1 take away 5 over 2. So I've got 2 halves, I'm taking away 5, so I'm actually minus 3 over 2A, and then I'm adding 3 over 2B. So that's my CM. Now I need to work out the C to D. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go from C to O, and then from O to D, because we already worked out O to D was. So C to O, okay, again, we worked out with that ratio that O to C was 4A. So C to O is minus 4A. And then from O to D, again, we worked out that's 4B. So C to D is minus 4A plus 4B. So CD is equal to something times CM. Well, so that means that minus 3 over 2 times something equals -4. Well, let's just rearrange it. So that means that the thing that I want is equal to -4 divided by -3/2. If we're dividing fractions, what do? We flip and we multiply. Okay, remember KFC. Right, so when I do that, I get 8/3. So that means that CD is equal to 8/3 CM. They are parallel vectors. They share start point C. Therefore, same line. And we proved it.